In this video, I'm going to show you how to download apps on your Lenovo laptop. So this is really easy to do and all you need is an internet connection. So we're going to click on this start menu button in the bottom navigation. You can then go and search for Microsoft Store in the search box, and then you need to click on this window here, which is the Microsoft Store. You can then go and click on apps from the left hand side, and here you'll see a bunch of different applications that you can download onto your computer. Now most of these apps are free to download. There are a few paid ones as well. Now if there's a specific application that you want to download, like WhatsApp for example, then you can click on the search box in the top navigation, and then you can just go and search for that app. So I'm going to search for WhatsApp and press search. You can then go and click on WhatsApp from the list of applications, and then you can click on this blue get button and give that a few seconds while it downloads to your computer. Once it's finished downloading, you can just go and press open from this page here, or you can head back over to your desktop and you can go and open up the start menu again. You can then search for the app that you just downloaded, so mine's WhatsApp, and you'll be able to open this up directly from here. So that's it guys, let me know in the comments if you found this video helpful.